Facing issues with your Dell laptop camera on Windows 11? We'll share 4 simple fixes to help you get it working again. Search for your laptop manufacturer's website. For example, Dell, HP. Download and install the official camera driver from their site. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Camera. Ensure camera access is enabled for your device and apps. Close and reopen the app or restart your computer. Search and open Device Manager. Expand Cameras, right-click your camera, and select Update Device. Do not check the checkbox. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.